welcome to another one of my videos. Today we have onewe's Memory Illusion album. It's only been like almost 2 months since their last one, so dang. With that being said, let's just get right into it. If I can. Alright, so here we have the front. We've got spine, and then here we have the back with the track list. I really love Trauma. It's probably Trauma Aquarium. It's probably like my favorite out of all of them on here. Alright. It honestly like took me a while to actually like get to listening to the album. I still haven't watched the music video, if I can like be honest, but it's because I've like just been kind of busy with other things, but I do have the album, so let's just get into it. I don't know where things are here, so let me okay, there's some things there. Trying my best not to look. Is there another thing? Anything else? Okay, I think that should be all. Let's get looking at it. Let's get looking. 7 frame. Wow. It looks so good. I love them so much. What is... Something about this setting looks familiar, and I can't place it. It's like, it reminds me of, like, where they did the, like, gemstone videos and photos. If anyone remembers that, with onewe and onewe. I think at that point, onewe was still RBW boys, but yeah, it looks like that setting. I could be wrong, but it does look like it. Yaharin. I love him. I love him so much. Ooh, got an outfit change here. Ooh, I like this. So yeah, this isn't related to the album, but like, as I said, it did take me a while to like get to listening to it, and I know it's been a while since I've posted on this channel. I just haven't really had like I said, I've been like occupied with other things, but and I just haven't really had a whole lot of... Ooh, I saw what that was. Let's pretend we didn't though. Yeah, I just haven't had the motivation to film videos. Like, I did have a buy haul that I filmed like a while back, but I didn't post it. And I didn't really feel like it. I don't think I'm going to post it because I don't really feel like it, but I'll try to film more in the future. Look at him. So yeah. Right, and then here we have, ooh, that's interesting. So here we have the CD. That's interesting. Never seen a CD like this. That's cool. Alright. Let's put it back. And now we'll look at what we got. So tripod. So let's see. Is that all of them? I did see one, so I guess we'll just get out of the way. I saw his signature and I was like, that's him. Yay! Oh, I didn't even have it on camera, but it's Younghoon. Oh, look at him. I did say in my last unboxing that I might start collecting photo cards, so I have started collecting. So this is nice. This is a nice thing to get. And then we have bookmark. I don't remember what like all of the inclusions are, so I don't remember if there's like, oh, there is. Oh, it says Dongyong. Okay, so these are different, like, member specific. That's nice. That's cool. Alright. And then the last photo card is... What? I got Harin. I got my biases. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I'm speechless. Wowie. You know, in my mind I was like, what if I got him? And I did. Okay. Thank you for watching this unboxing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.